I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. My God! I have decided my God! Not turning back. No, I can never turn back.